When you add a field into the Values section of the Pivot Table Field List task pane, the information in the field is added together using the sum function. You can change the function used if you wish. There are also several other features of value fields that you can alter if desired. To change the properties of your value fields, click the small drop-down arrow to the right of the field name displayed within the Values section of the Pivot Table Field List. Then choose the Value Field Settings command from the pop-up menu that appears. Doing this will open the Value Field Settings dialog box. The source name field shows the original field name from which the value derives its data. You can type a name for the field to display within the pivot table into the Custom Name text box. On the Summarize By tab, you can click on the name of the function by which you wish to summarize the source field selected. You can click the Number Format button in the lower left corner of this dialog box to open a simplified version of the Format Cells dialog box, which you can use to set the appearance of the numeric formatting that is used by the numbers within the selected pivot table value field. You can then click the OK button to return to the Value Field Settings dialog box. You can click the Show Values As tab within the Value Field Settings dialog box to select how you want to show the data in the field. You can choose another summarization option from the Show Values As drop-down, and you can choose to compare the values listed in the rows or columns as a percentage of the column, row, or field total. You can also choose to show the numbers as the difference of another field. Note that if you select a comparison option that requires you to choose another field against which you wish to compare the value, you can select that field's name from the base field list, and then select the value against which you want to compare that field from the base item list. Now, once you've set the options that you want for your value field, click the OK button to set the appearance of the value field.